My favourite memory would probably be organising a national conference for 2 years in a row. It was such a huge thing to undertake, but I think the lessons that I've learnt throughout really enriched my Warwick experience and led to so many new people and so many amazing new things. The main extracurricular that I was involved in was Cyberwomen at Warwick. So during my first and second year, I was the external communications officer. And then in my previous final year, I was actually the President of Cyberwomen at Warwick. And again, that led to so many new opportunities, opened so many doors for me, and just led my Warwick experience, really. The piece of advice that I give to my younger self is probably just to be more confident in yourself. I know coming into university, it's such a scary and daunting experience, but I think taking it in your stride, everyone is in the same shoes as you. And so I think just getting yourself a little bit extra confidence to put yourself out there a bit more is definitely something my younger self needed to hear. The future is really a daunting thing to think about, but I think a lot of the things that I've taken from my work experience that I'm still doing moving forward. So I'll be the branch manager for Cyberwomen Group CIC, which I'm then linking back to Warwick, and I'm actually managing Cyberwomen at Warwick, which is such a full circle moment. But then I will also be moving into a cybersecurity graduate position as well as becoming that branch manager role.